Ngaphambi kokulalela isicelo seBheyili ka-Angelo Agrizzi, inkantolo ikhulule uVincent Smith icala lakhe lahlehliselwa umhla zintathu kuZibandlela ngaphansi kwembandela efanayo yeBheyili njengoba adedelwa ngesamba esiyizinkulungwane ezingama-30 zamarandi. Ummeli ka-Angelo Agrizzi u-Advocate Daniel Wilt utshele inkantolo ukuthi angeke alivume icala njengomsolwa wesibili kulelicala lenkohlakalo ebalelwa izinkulungwaneni ezingama-800 zamarandi. Ubese balula ukuthi u-Agrizzi akakaze atholakale necala, ipassport yakhe yakuleli isezandleni zama-Hawks kanti yesibili okungeyase-Italy yalahleka nabomthetho baziswa ngalokho. Ummeli wakhe uthi empeleni wabe ngumxhumanisi phakathi kaSmith noGavin Watson ongasekho.
Everything related to the late Mr. Gavin Watson, if he is the late Mr. Gavin Watson, we don't know about that at this stage, but if it's Mr. Gavin Watson, he did all the different dealings with Mr. Smith, not Mr. Agrizzi. So it's a case of, well, don't shoot me, I'm the messenger. It's one of those. So I discussed it with my learned friend as well. We were joking about it on the phone, and we actually said, well, fine, let's just process it, let's sort out the bail, and we'll then come and once you've given us disclosure and you show us how we fit in. If we do fit in, we can then talk about whether Mr. Agrizzi should actually be your main witness or whether he should be an accused, or do you want to shoot the messenger?
Ummeli ka-Agrizzi uthi kuyamangaza ukuthi esithubeni nje umbuso usuqoke ukusiphikisa isicelo seBheyili ngaphandle kokubazisa. Umbuso uthi imbangela yokuphikisa isicelo okungadaluli ka-Agrizzi ukuthi unempahla ecela izigidini ezingama-30 zamarandi emazweni angaphandle.
Both the movable and immovable assets are the most important thing in the bail application. They have to be disclosed. When we read the affidavit of the accused, Your Worship, 33 million of assets that are overseas were never disclosed. And they were not disclosed on the previous bail application. Your Worship, my colleague is a senior counsel. That information can never be non-disclosed or can be kept aside and not disclosed in the affidavit. And Your Worship, our attitude changed after that, and we decided that we are going to oppose the bail application.
Ukulalelwa kwaleli cala kusaqhubeka.